All right, ladies, it's time for girl talk. Makeup can be so frustrating in the morning when you have to apply it, when you really don't have the time to put it on, but now there's a solution.
Makeup can be frustrating anytime.
I mean, that's so true. That's so true.
Lori Mashlett, president, co-founder of blendSMART, joins us with a new innovative way to apply your makeup. And
yes.
Alana's been using this some, right?
Oh, I have. And you're hearing it in the morning. You're like, Alana, what is it you're using?
I know. It's like, what's that? What are you doing over there?
It's my blendSMART. Welcome, ladies.
Hi. Thank you for having us.
Here. Now, explain to us, because we actually see it in action here. How does blendSMART work?
Well, you know, it's interesting. Innovation and technology has changed and improved so many things of our lives, and we thought it was time that us women that struggle to apply makeup can have an easier, faster, and more flawless approach to it. So basically, it is a automated handle, which is battery operated. It's a long-lasting lithium battery. It lasts like 9 months, and it spins at 190 RPMs, and it's designed to mimic that motion that makeup artists do that the everyday woman, it's really hard to do.
It is hard to do. It is. Okay, I'd like to see it on, I see it in action here. Now, do you have any foundation on right now?
Yeah, she
has a split face.
Maya has perfect skin, but when you're my age, it's even more important because as you go ahead and put it on, but you'll see what it is you just slide and glide. And I think for the typical makeup person, you know, the motion is this round sort of spinning.
I love that because sometimes you're like, how many times?
and this
is a good blended look.
And what's really nice is because it moves so quickly, it uses less makeup. And when you use less makeup, you don't have that cakey, heavy feeling. And as you get older, and nobody does get older, but if you would to get older, it falls into your fine lines, and this just avoids that. It just moves the makeup.
Okay, so you've explained all the components. How on the earth did you come up with the idea? How did you put all that together?
Great question. Actually, a model out of Atlanta had a chronic wrist problem, and while she was in rehab, she said, surely there's got to be something that does this, and there wasn't. And so 2 years of back and forth with engineers and designers and makeup artists and lawyers, we came up with blendSMART.
So I'm also curious, what are some of your biggest challenges? Because I know there may be women sitting out there who have an idea in launching something like this.
Well, you know, the biggest challenge when you create a first is getting people on board, right? Because in this case, people have used their fingers and brushes for over hundreds and hundreds of years. So it's hard to convince people it's not a gimmick, that it really has a purpose. You know, starting it always takes getting the word out is not an easy thing. And then, of course, knockoffs. There's a couple barriers to entry, but a good idea and word of mouth, YouTube, and all of those great things help spread the word.
Okay, hold on, we have to check in really quick. I'm just so impressed that you did that without a mirror. Yeah, like wow. And it looks flawless, but really you're also now dipping into some blush, and so it's not just for your foundation.
This is an all-in-one tool, and that's the other thing. I was a makeup for beginners. I need Beauty 101, and I don't like these giant bags, and so blendSMART, I have all these other heads, but it's amazing what you can do if you put too much blush, and there are some nightmares out there, right?
Oh, yeah.
You know, the worst is when you go into the car, right, and you see the lines. If you put too much on, you just go back and forth in the same spot.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah.
And that's our new, right now. Yes. It's so soft.
It looks so professional.
And it's just, you know, and also because it feels good, you tend to go down to your neck where mistakes occur here as well.
Women,
and I did want to point out, you have several different...
Yes. So we have some different heads, a definer for contouring, we have a powder, we have a blush, we have a full coverage, and on our website we have like a kabuki, so there are more.
And if anybody wants to order, they can just go online to do so.
And yes, I know, even Stanley Korshak, actually, you did a big Stanley Korshak thing with the dress. We actually sold to Stanley Korshak and some of the Dillards as well.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Great job.
Very good.
I could never have makeup without a mirror.
Happy blending.
But you see how easy it is. Happy blending. You can order your blendSMART online at blendsmart.com. blendSMART is also sold at Stanley Korshak. Let's see. And my best recommendation is to head online. They're also at Cedar Hill and the parks in Arlington.
Right.